Hello, and welcome to this video presentation of ZonWizard, the all-in-one software for Amazon sellers, consisting of 3 essential and advanced tools: accounting, profit, and inventory. Let's see them in action. Starting from the accounting tool. This tool is designed to make you forget about the bureaucracy associated with selling on Amazon. In addition to generating all the necessary tax documents, you can also give direct access to your accountant, who can handle your accounting independently. ZonWizard organizes and catalogs all the invoices of your Amazon business in the Invoices view. You can search for them, filter, and identify them extremely easily without getting lost in the reports of the Seller Central. Instead, you will find the summary of unbilled sales in the Daily Takings view. Returns are already included in this view, while you can decide according to your preference whether to include certain types of invoiced orders. In 2 clicks, you will be able to download a document that would otherwise be quite complex to draw up manually, which will provide the summary of daily sales, broken down by tax jurisdiction and VAT rate. A real breath of fresh air for your bookkeeping. If you sell abroad and have not joined the OSS, you need to keep an eye on the €10,000 threshold for intra-community sales. ZonWizard checks this for you and sends you a notification when you are approaching the threshold. If, on the other hand, you have exceeded the sales threshold, ZonWizard has a dedicated section where all intra-community sales are recorded and the VAT due in each European country is calculated. From this view, you can download the quarterly summary document to make OSS declaration quickly and easily. Like the OSS report, the VAT report section summarizes national sales and the VAT due in the countries of the Pan-European program, where you have a fiscal representation. In addition to sales, ZonWizard also keeps track of product transfers that Amazon moves between its logistics centers in different European countries. This allows you to quickly make intrastat declarations and correctly manage self-invoices between your VAT numbers in different countries. If you sell products with reduced VAT rates, with ZonWizard, you can correctly manage the rates in each country, even if you do not use Amazon's VAT calculation. Let's move on to profit analysis. The Profit tool is designed to monitor your business performance with a comprehensive and intuitive interface. In the dashboard, you'll find all your key performance indicators, including margin, ACOS, TACOS, and ROI, all in one place. You can even compare your performance with previous periods to see how your business is evolving. You can see the trend of revenues, costs, and profits, broken down by time intervals, such as per day, week, or month. You can check at a glance the returns on various marketplaces and verify the breakdown of cost items. Through the filter panel, which you also find in other views, you can focus your attention on particular marketplaces, categories, or specific products and have a complete overview, tailored to your needs. The Products view is the interface that allows you to verify the correct assignment of selling prices for your items on all marketplaces. By going into detail, you can assign the purchase cost of the product and immediately understand how much you should earn from the sale of each item. In the product card, you also have an overview of the reasons for returns and comments left by customers who have requested a refund. Useful for identifying quality defects in the product. If, on the other hand, you need to do in-depth analysis to identify margin or cost issues at a glance, you should take a look at the profit table. Magic happens in this table. Here you can sort your products by order count, revenue, margin, profit, ROI, ACOS, and TACOS. You will immediately understand which items are making you the most money or which are not bringing you the results you hoped for. This table not only allows you to check the KPIs for each item, but also to aggregate them by brand or product category. It will show you at a glance which lines of items you can count on and invest in order to take off on Amazon. Even if you are overburdened by other priorities, ZonWizard is always vigilant for you. You will receive instant notifications every time a product falls below the profit margin you set in advance. No more unpleasant surprises due to sudden increases in fees. Speaking of staying on top, through the Orders view, you can check that revenues, costs, profits, and margins of all the orders you're receiving right now are okay. This way, you can be sure not to miss any details of your sales. To increase the competitiveness of your products on Amazon, you need to accumulate positive reviews the right way and in compliance with Amazon policies. The Reviews and Feedback tool makes sending review requests to customers strategic and automatic. You can choose when to send requests, decide which items to exclude, and create smart rules for repeat purchases or specific products, helping you prevent negative reviews. When selling on marketplaces, you get the feeling your customers are not really yours. ZonWizard tries to help you reclaim your buyers. In this section, you can analyze your customers' buying habits, spot repeat buyers or unusual refund behavior, and discover each customer's lifetime value. Also, by knowing which products are purchased together, you can implement cross-selling and bundling strategies that will increase the average value of the cart. Now let's move on to the most detailed view you can find in ZonWizard, the financial report. As you can guess from the name, here you will find the breakdown of all revenues and costs related to your activity on Amazon. You can view the monthly, annual, or weekly balance, and it is very easy to identify the critical cost items that are having the greatest impact on profit because they are highlighted by alert icons. Now let's move on to the tool that lets you truly control your entire logistics flow, the inventory tool. The inventory dashboard is your command center. You open it, and within a second, you know exactly where to step in and what actions you need to take today to keep your inventory balanced, with no waste and no surprises. With the inventory module, you can track stock levels in your own warehouse and in Amazon's fulfillment centers, and easily plan your next restocks, guided by smart system recommendations. ZonWizard automatically generates purchase orders for products running low, with pre-filled quantities based on sales velocity and your preferred stock coverage. Manage the entire PO workflow in one place. Request a quote to the supplier. Define purchase prices and transport cost. And before confirming the order, you can even preview your profit margins for each marketplace based on the quoted cost. Once the order is confirmed, tracking it from shipment to goods reception is simple and seamless. When it's time to replenish your Amazon warehouses, we've got you covered. The system identifies the items and calculates the ideal quantities to ship. You can take advantage of the autofill boxes feature, which automatically determines how to pack the units in the least amount of boxes. Finally, it generates everything your team needs, from shipping labels to a pick and pack list, ready for your warehouse crew. This is logistics made simple, smart, and efficient. If you use Amazon's logistics, you surely know that it is not uncommon for your products to disappear. Thanks to ZonWizard, over €50,000 of refunds that would otherwise be lost, owed to sellers are recovered every month. How does it work? The Refunds tool keeps track of Amazon's logistics operations, practically checking what it does with your products, and gives you a clear and simple monitoring of lost, damaged, never returned, or missing products from inbound shipments. Through a simple guided procedure, you can initiate refund requests that are often resolved within a few minutes. In any case, ZonWizard automatically monitors the status of open cases, and you can follow them until you get the refund. Having a healthy seller account is essential to maintaining high sales performance. This dashboard highlights seller metrics, important for maintaining the standards required by Amazon. You will understand what you are doing well and what you should improve with regards to defective orders, customer service, response times, shipping delays, and many other metrics. Also, you will be notified if there is a policy violation in one of your listings. In this short video, we have given you a small taste of the potential of our software, but what you have seen is just the tip of the iceberg. ZonWizard is not just a software. It is the partner for the success of your business on Amazon. In this direction, we have trained and developed our customer support, which is ready to definitively solve your problems related to Amazon and ZonWizard. To elevate your way of doing business through cutting-edge tools, register on our website and start the 30-day free trial. Or visit our website zonwizard.com, where you will find the best free resources to start your climb to success on Amazon. Good sales with ZonWizard.